Hey everybody, welcome back to Wild Hualapai. I'm Brian. I'm down in central Texas and it's about 10 degrees out here, so it's a little chilly. But I was driving down the highway through Brownwood, Texas, and I noticed this awesome little off-road trailer. And I thought I'd just profile it real quick. I stopped in here and asked him to unlock it. And of course, salesman ran right back in the building because it's so dang cold. So I'll do a quick profile on this baby. It's a Outbound T-Rex, and look at the lift on this thing. It's got a solid axle, but that's got plenty of lift under there. Nice big tires. It's a steel frame. What size tires are these? These are 35s. There's no electric currently, but it's compatible for that. This looks like a place to put your 5-gallon propane. It's got stabilizer jacks here in the back. It's got a little hitch there for some bikes. Storage on the back end. Looks like this table right here slides into there, so you've got a nice shelf. And then some movable shelves to put up here. It's pretty nice. It's got windows and doors on both sides. There's the interior. Got an AC unit down there. A little electric fan up here on top. Looks like puck lights go up there in the ceiling. Some storage. Spare tire. This looks like maybe a bike rack or something that mounts somewhere. Here's the paperwork on it. Outbound Trailers T-Rex TX $89.99. Kennar Sales. Kennar RV Sales in Brownwood, Texas. I'd really like to know what kind of how big the axle is on that. It's GVWR is 3500. That tells you about the axle then. That's typical 4-inch mattress. I think if I were laying on my side, that might go right through my hips might go right through the floor. I don't know. That might be an upgrade that you'd want to do. But this looks, oh, there's the electrical over there. It's just a surge protector that goes out there so you can plug all your stuff in. You can use an extension cord to the power supply. So yeah, that's pretty neat, man. $9 though. I guess for an off-road trailer, that's kind of cheap. I know some of those things are $50,000 that are all out-rigged with the kitchen and stuff. It's got an awning on it. Storage up front here. Salesman says that spare tire mounts underneath the bottom of this deal. Underneath the bottom of that. So you'd think for an off-road trailer that you'd want to put on one of those swivel type hitches. I like this though. Dang, that would look real good behind a lifted Jeep or something. It's good. It's got the Texas flag painted on it. Here's the rear of the AC. It's got no water or anything like that to worry about. But this looks like it could be a lot of fun.
Thank you.
So, there's your lights and everything.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Any questions about it?
No, not really. I just read the literature that was inside.
Okay. Cool. Alright. So did you grab one of the flyers from inside?
I haven't. I will though.
Okay, cool. Let me know if I can do anything. anything for you.
I will, thank you.
You're welcome.
What's your name?
My name is Robert.
Robert.
I'm the R and K&R. My wife and I own the place.
Oh, no kidding. Oh,
Yeah.
I'm Brian.
Good to meet you, Brian.
Yep. Yeah, that's a pretty neat little trailer.
It is.
So this is the same thing, just less intense, right?
Yeah. This is the off-road heavy-duty version. Heavier axle, heavier, bigger tires.
Yeah.
More ground clearance.
Yeah.
And you can add other things to it. They make a much heavier duty hitch for it that is articulating.
Right.
So if you're going to places
I was wondering about that.
Yeah, if you're going to places that are just crazy, where you need that thing to twist on its own. But there's a spare tire holder in there. Obviously, you can take that tire and stick it up there, or you can stick it elsewhere in the back of the Jeep, or what have you. You put a generator up here on the front.
Yeah, that's pretty neat.
It is a big, kind of like an AR-15 is a big kid's Barbie doll, right? You can add all sorts of stuff to it.
That's
you
right.
You do the same thing with these. And the T-Rex is the biggest, heaviest, dutiest one that they have.
And I know it says Outbound T-Rex, but is Outbound the make?
Outbound is the manufacturer.
Where are they at?
Kansas, Nebraska.
Oh, okay.
Up that way.
They're
not in Indiana dealer. They're no.
And they're not in Texas.
No. And Outbound would be happy to sell you one of these for more than this. We're actually trying to get these two. These three are on clearance. We're trying to get rid of them, so the price is where it is because of that.
Oh, I see.
Normally it would be several $1,000s more.
Wow. So to wrap that up with that trailer, the T-Rex, I really love that trailer. I'm real interested in that trailer. That'd just be great to haul around up there in the off-road trails up there in Arizona where I'm headed. So just some information. That is the T-Rex TX. It's a 2022 model. And the owner I spoke to, that guy that came out, Robert, he was actually one of the owners. He was saying that they just can't get them off the lots here in Texas. There's just not the niche for them that there is in some other states. And this one's been sitting on his lot since 2022. He wants $9,000 for it. He says the dealer or the manufacturer actually wants quite a bit more, but he wants to get rid of them, so they're on clearance. I'm guessing he would take even less than $9,000 if he's had it for a couple of years. They just can't sell them. He says he was really hoping that the Jeepers in the area would want these kind of things, and I know they do in other states. Up in Arizona, Utah, Colorado, you see them all over the roads, but down here in Texas you don't. They just don't have the mountain roads and the off-road trails. They're just not as common as in some of the northern and western states. But some of the information on this trailer, it's got 17-inch aluminum wheels with 35-inch tires, 3,500 pound axle. The floor underneath is undercoated with that black spray, and what else? LED marker lights. The base model, which I believe this is, other than the awning that's on there, is only 900 pounds. So you could just tow that right over anything. So anyway, yeah, that's all I have for that. I'll close out this video now, but just thought that was an interesting little trailer, and I'm kind of excited about it. I don't know. I'm gonna have to talk to Becky. She won't mind if I go buy it, but she'll never get in it. She'll never use it. It's much too small and compact for her taste. So Anyway, thanks for watching. This is Brian at Wild Hualapai. Please share, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.